All right, y'all, well, here we go. Change my mind, Stitch Fix, because guess what, y'all? Stitch Fix sent me a box without my permission. Yes, I canceled this thing. I canceled this order with my last shipment that I got, right? Because I did not like the products that Stitch Fix sent me. So I canceled that. I sent everything back, bada boom, bada bing, right? I disliked the Stitch Fix products so much that somebody dared me in my own comments and called me drunk. Bruh. Just because I did not like the Stitch Fix shipment that was sent to me. I'm sorry, I was not a fan. I'm just not impressed. Oh my God, you can almost see my boob in there. To the next, I don't want to look at this crap. I got this in the mail, I kid you not, at my doorstep, and I was shocked because I'm like, I thought I canceled that stuff. So I need to make sure that it is canceled for sure, y'all, but we're gonna get into it, okay? I have not opened this box yet. I'm just covering up my address, but I have not opened this box. We're gonna open it together. I'm gonna give Stitch Fix one more chance. Let's see if they can change my mind, y'all. Let's go, all right? I gotta cover this up, but all right, let's pop it open. Let's see what's popping. Okay, I will say one thing good about this like vibe here is that if you don't like the products, you send them back, no questions asked, they don't charge you, right? Well, here it is, everything is here, packaged up. They send you 5 items, they send you a list of how much each item is. Whatever you keep is what you pay, okay? So let's get it popping, let's see what they sent me, you know? Let's go Stitch Fix. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna open each product, review, like show it to y'all, and then I'm gonna try it on, all right? Here we go. Let's pop in. Let's pop, lock, and drop it, y'all, because Stitch Fix needs to change my mind if they're gonna be out here just sending me stuff to my doorstep. Okay, cute vibes. I like the color, everything like that. Okay, this is a really cute off the top vibe. I'm not mad at the vibe. The vibe looks good. But one thing I will say, you know, I'm going to keep it straightforward, is that, you know, I do a lot of Shein hauls, and every time I see a product, something like this or something like this, I'm not even going to look at the price yet. I bet you it's like $50 or $45. And I always go like, oh, I can get that on Shein for 10 bucks. You know what I mean? So I'm kind of biased in that aspect of these clothes. I'm not mad at the clothes. It's just like, I think like, oh, I can get that on Shein for 10 bucks. This is way too overpriced. Let's try it on, all right? Okay, so here it is. It is absolutely lovely on. Ain't even gonna play. Y'all look at the sleeves, how it goes back a little bit like that. I like how it doesn't go all the way back. I like how it cinches your back right here. It cinches your waist a little bit, and then it's like a little peplum top. Okay, this is really cute. I ain't even gonna lie. I would totally vibe with this, you know, on a vacation or something like that. I just paired it with some shorts. Okay, so far so good. I ain't even gonna play with y'all. This is really nice. It's very stretchy. I love that. I love the color. I'm very pink, purple type of vibe, okay? This is not bad. Let's see how much it cost. Okay, so we're back. So I was right, okay? This shirt is $45 in a size medium. I think that's why I also like it, is because it's a medium. The last order I got everything in a size large, and it was just too baggy, too long, too big. I didn't like it. Love the fit on this. It is a size medium, $45. Now, tell me, be honest, would y'all pay $45 for this top? Be for real. Let's get on to the next. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go down the line here. So I'm gonna pick this one up next. Love the color already. I love the design. I love the flowers. Okay, y'all, I'm not mad at this. This looks like something I will love. All right, I love the stretch. I love the off the shoulder vibe. I love the color. This is actually gonna be gorgeous. I can't wait to try this on. Prove me wrong, Stitch Fix. Let's try it on. Okay, again, I am not mad at this top. This top is actually so freaking cute. I love how it's so freaking stretchy. Love this right here. It really just enhances this neckline. I love that. Love the off the shoulder. I love the little peplum vibe right here. This is also, I would say, like a crop top style, because, okay, these shorts are like kind of high-waisted. So this is how it looks with like high-waisted shorts. If I feel like I would like it better with a little bit of my skin showing right here. So if I were to wear like regular like low rise shorts or jeans, I think I would like it better because it just pops a little bit. You know what I mean? I like that. Okay, this is really cute. I'm not mad at it, Stitch Fix. I am not mad. All right, y'all. Let's go see how much I paid for this. Okay, y'all, so for this top, I got it in a size medium, again, which is probably why I like it. I do believe that these clothes do run big. If you do try this brand out, I mean, if you try Stitch Fix in general, I recommend sizing down, y'all, for real. So this is a size medium, and this top, $55, y'all, again. Woo! I mean, it's cute, but is it $55 worth of cute? You tell me, all right? Let's get on to the next. Okay, not mad. Y'all, it is a romper. It is not a dress. I thought this was a mini dress. It's a freaking romper. Okay, really, really cute. The length, it's like long, y'all. It's kind of long. It's very flowy, very movable, breathable. Love the off the shoulder. Love the white embroidery. I love white in general. It's not see-through. I did check. It is very nice. Okay, this is not bad. And one thing I will say about Stitch Fix that I know of is that their whole like philosophy vibe is like to try things that you're not used to like trying on and help you style. Like they're stylists, okay? Somebody styled this box for me and sent it to me based on what I like. So that's like the whole premises of Stitch Fix, okay? So honestly, I'm not mad that they sent me this romper because when have y'all seen me in a freaking romper, okay? I don't wear rompers. But I'm not mad at it. Thank you for sending me this Stitch Fix. Honestly, I'm not mad at it. It's cute. Let's see how much it is. Okay, y'all, so for this little white romper number that we have right here, this came in a size large, and oh my word, I can't believe how much it is. $29.97. $29. Okay, now I'm not mad at that price. Why can't those other shirts be that price? I will tell you why. Y'all, Stitch Fix sends you different brands, like they're designer brands. Honestly, all of these brands I've never heard of before. I don't wear these brands, but they are a little bit more of an upscale brand. And I do understand that, okay, it's not Shein, it's more of an upscale brand, which is why the products are a little bit more expensive. However, I do believe that this romper is worth the $29, okay? I'm not mad at things that will be less than $30, like those tops. I do believe those tops should definitely be less than $30. What do y'all think? Let's get on to the next. Okay, y'all, well, let's be so for real right now because this is the cutest little vibe I have seen. Stitch Fix, I wasn't even gonna open this box, y'all. I am telling you the truth. I was not even gonna open this box. I was just gonna send that back and be like, nah, dude. And I'm like, you know what? This is the last day. You only get 3 days to send this stuff back, y'all. Otherwise, they charge you for everything. So I was like, fudge, dude. Let me just open this up. Let's do a haul. Let's try it out. I am actually super stoked, and I am shocked that Stitch Fix has indeed changed my mind. So far, y'all, we're 4 to 4, okay? We're 4 to 4. Everything is great. This skirt is gorgeous. Okay, so this is my own top. I paired this with my own little Shein top. I was gonna do a white top. I love the white with a little bit of this design contrast. It goes well because the skirt is just a plain color. So with the plain and then a little design here at the top, the contrast is just amazing. This is gorgeous, y'all. I was about to say Shein. I love Shein so much. No, Stitch Fix. Y'all came through. I'm not mad at y'all, Stitch Fix. This is dope. This is very easy to put on, very stretchy. Love the material, not see-through. It's kind of thick. Oh, this is gorgeous, y'all. I feel like a princess. Like I'm going to the damn Bahamas. You know what I'm trying to say? All right, let's go see how much this skirt was, all right? Okay, y'all, here we go with this skirt. I am obsessed with this skirt. I don't think I can send this skirt back. Okay, so this came in a size large for $47.97. Okay, y'all, let's just round it up and say 50 bones, okay? Honestly, I'm not mad. The material is really good. The quality is really good. It looks good on me. It's really freaking cute. I think I'm gonna keep this one. Y'all, we are 4 for freaking 4. Would you pay $47.97 for this? Yes, you would. If it looked really good on you, you would. All right, we're getting on to the last item right now. Let's go. All right, last item, y'all. This is legit. Like, I haven't opened none of this stuff. This is my first time opening this, seeing this. This is all with y'all. This is real life. All right, what do we got? Okay, this looks like a tube top dress. I love yellow. Okay, whoever styled me, whoever listened to my complaint last time, my stylist, thank you, girl, because you have been sending me top-notch crap. Like, great stuff. You know what I'm trying to say? Not crap. This is good quality stuff. All right, let's get into it, y'all. I'm going to try this on. I do see a zipper in the back, which means it's going to fit nicely. All right, let's get it on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm sorry, but I was so looking forward to trying this dress on, but guess what? Dude, okay, remember I told you there's a zipper in the back? There's also all these strings. I don't even know what to do with these strings because I couldn't get the dress on. But look why. Look why I couldn't get the dress on. Okay, so it has the zipper back here, right? Okay, the zipper, and then it goes right there. It stops right there, but look, there's a freaking hole. The zipper broke. Like, I wasn't even able to try this on, y'all, and the zipper is already broken. That sucks. And you're never gonna believe, oh, I was really looking forward to trying this dress on. Doesn't it look so cute with the embroidery and these little, like, details here at the bottom? Okay. Well, too bad. I couldn't get it on because that thing is freaking broken. Y'all, and you're never going to believe. Okay, so this dress is in a size large. This is the most expensive product out of every single freaking product. I'm shocked because it's freaking broken. And honestly, it's just a yellow mini dress. Y'all, $98 for this dress. $98 freaking dollars. Is it the brand? Lost in Wonder. That's the brand. I don't know that brand, but I'm really disappointed. Damn. Okay, I will say, y'all, okay, 4 out of 5, and 4 out of 5. Okay, that's not bad. 4 out of the 5 products were really good. I think 3 out of the 5 were amazing. Like, the 2 tops were great, and the yellow skirt was great. The white romper, not so much. Yellow dress, don't even know because it's freaking broken. All right, Stitch Fix, I'm not mad at y'all, okay? Y'all did make me change my mind. I probably will do another round. I ain't even playing. I'm shook. I really had negative vibes, like, going into this video. I'm happy that my vibes are not negative towards Stitch Fix anymore. I'm gonna just say that straight out. Thanks to my stylist. Her name is Sarah. All right, girl, I am mad at you. All right, y'all, I have to get some of this stuff back because you'll only get 3 days to return it. What do you think about this haul? What do you think about Stitch Fix in general? Have you even used it? Anyway, y'all, I will see y'all in the next. Peace out.